Hello, here is FCNFM. Consult Chinese FCNFM to get preferential and convenient mobile sand-making machine solutions. The mobile sand-making machine has the advantages of high mobility, rapid installation and production, efficient sand-making capacity, energy saving and environmental protection, intelligent control, and strong adaptability. These advantages make mobile sand-making machines widely used in many fields, providing strong support for the construction of buildings, highways, railways, and other projects. More things made in China. More sand-making machines made in China. If you want to know more, please contact us.